G'day guys, welcome back to Awesome Epic Adventure. You're here again with Andy, and I've got Delta here with us. She's there in the back, can you see her? Delta! There she is. She's a good girl. What a puppy. Say hello. Look. Say hello. She's just too excited, she wants to get out and about. So guys, another neat little waterfall adventure today in amongst the ferns, bushwalks, nice scenery. The usual, as we are at the start of winter, it is really cold, so it's hard to find nice days to go out and film. Luckily it's not raining, it's just overcast. So let's do it guys. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the page. Here we go. So guys, normally we've got to make our way down and go for a long walk to get to the waterfall. With this walk, it's kind of neat. The waterfall's actually at the start. So pretty much parked just over there. Walked over here. I'll try and make my way across without slipping. I don't want to go in there because it is fairly deep. As you can see. Delta! Oh, she's right here with us. There she is. Good girl. I'm hoping Delta won't follow us up here. She'll get all wet. So guys, maybe not today because it is quite slippery and treacherous, but there is a neat tunnel. A cool tunnel that goes up under the road up there that I want to check out one day. But we'll have to go and check that out. This is really slippery surface. I am so going to get down before I axe myself. So yeah, that's the start of the waterfall up there with a cool tunnel right up the top. It makes its way down, and then the water flows. Yeah, the walk continues just over there on the other side of the car park, so make our way over there, go see what we can find. Look at these cool little picnic caves down here as well. Looking under here. These aren't real caves, obviously, these are all man-made caves. Lots of people come and scribble their names and whatnot on them. Been here for quite some time. One neat thing I want to show you though is just down here. So guys, this here used to be the actual public pool in this area. Used to call it the municipal baths. Opened by Arthur Griffiths on December 3rd, 1913. You can see it looks pretty neat. Got horses there. A bit of a story there explaining it. I'm not going to read through all that, but if you wanted to freeze frame that and have a read. So guys, that's what it all used to look like down here. And this is what it looks like today. It's all parklands. Where I'm standing now would have been a swimming pool at some point. You can see all the old pipes coming through the wall. And the water used to all fill up. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a little bit of history on this little area here. It used to be a big swimming pool. And that bridge you saw in that photo was just down here as well. So I'll go for a wander over here and I'll show you the rest of this walk. Down we go. Little camping spot there. Make our way down. As I said at the start of the video guys, it is the beginning of winter, so there has been a hell of a lot of rain, which is cool for the waterfalls. Make our way down. You can see the rest of the part of the pool. Bridge over there in the distance. This is near, this tree's recently came down. Delta keeps yanking us. Better keep moving. Doesn't make standing still for too long. Impatient dog. There we go, down in the wetlands. Really should have worn boots. Make our way down the river. So, oh, there's a cute little duck. You see the duck over there? There he goes, little duck swimming around. He's got himself a nice little posse. All in amongst the undergrowth, or overgrowth. So I'm not actually sure how long this walk goes for. I didn't check the sign or whatnot. I'm hoping it's only about an hour or so because we're meant to have more rain coming soon. And I'm hoping to miss it so I can bring you guys a cool video. So guys, I need you to smash that like button because it is absolutely freezing out here, and yeah, follow us till the end of this journey. That'd be great. Oh, okay, so can't go that way, and I didn't really want to go that way anyway, but still, it's a shame. Cool little bridge. We go up that way to Prince Henry Cliff Walk. Oh, that way takes us to Gordon Falls. So if any of you guys have seen the earlier video where I went to Gordon Falls, during the mist and rain, and you couldn't really see many of the views out over the cliff faces because it was just that thick mist. But yeah, so that's just up that way, and when we were at Gordon Falls I saw the sign for Lyra Cascades, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you go back and check that video out. Big puddles. Well, Delta's clever, she steps around the puddles, she doesn't like getting her feet wet. So we don't have that really thick mist today, so hopefully we'll be able to at least see some of the cool views and that out this way. And we'll make our way down to the bottom of Lyra Cascades. It seems to be getting colder. It should be warming up as I'm walking, but it's not happening. Neat little spot. Oh, this is easier. Neat boardwalk. Only all bushwalks are like this. It's cascading, so it's like a continuous flow. Starts all the way back up the top there, and just continuous all the way down in sections. Surely it's got to come down to a big overflow down here at the base of it. I can see why part of these walks are actually closed. You can see up there where the land has slid, broken its way down. You can see the sandstone rock over there. It's all broken away. Right up the top there is actually another bushwalking path. Goes all the way, brings you out to Echo Point near the Three Sisters. Oh, you good, Delta? So as we descend down the stairway, it seems to be getting darker and louder and colder. It's kind of neat, old post there. So yeah, you can see where a lot of it's all washed away, come tumbling down the cliffs. Neat little waterfall. So this all must have been lit up at some point, the old post down here. Wow. Check this out. That's neat. So this is almost the base of the waterfall. We're probably about halfway down. As you can see, the river continues to flow. Made our way down the walk path up there. And now we're down in this neat looking underground cave. You can see all the moss. Just down along there. Such a neat spot. Just take all that in, guys. Beautiful. Wow, look where it brings us out. Looking in the dense bushland, brings us all the way out to here. Come out of these beautiful views of the Jamison Valley. You can see the brown trees out there in the distance. All that patch of brown out there, that was where they all did controlled backburning and burnt all that away about 2 weeks ago. Wow. Quite a large area. But yeah, how neat's that, guys? So we come walking through all that tropical bushland and jungle, and we come out of that opening there. It brings us out to this with these amazing views. Yeah, so the waterfall continues, and the cascades over the edge down there. I probably could get a little bit closer just to show you guys the view, but yeah, it's a long way down, guys. I'll show you the view over the edge. So that's the kind of drop. You can see that long drop all the way down there, and then the waterfall's just over there. And still, there's so many neat sections here and walks. You can see up on the top of that cliff face up there. I'll zoom in so you can see. There's actually a lookout point, and a steel staircase right up the top there. You can almost make out faces in those cliffs over there. It's kind of neat. When you zoom out, it looks like one big face. So, now going up a set of stairs. I don't know why, I thought we were going down to the waterfall, but now this way's bringing us up another way. Delta's pulling me up the hill. Some neat massive rock formations. An old looking bench seat. Come on. Right here. The stairways keep making their way up. We'll just take a second to look at the view from here. Whoa. There's a better shot, guys. So, yeah, that's why I'm not going to the edge of that cliff, because that's a long tumble down. And by the looks of it, we can't really get down to it anyway. I mean, if we did some bush bashing, I'm sure we could somehow make our way down. But this way goes back to Echo Point, I think. But Delta seems to want to keep going. We'll keep going. See where it brings us. So guys, unfortunately I can't go that way because it's due to track restoration. They've closed a lot of these tracks. But at least we got to see the main shot of the waterfall. I'll wander up this way a little bit further and see what's up here. I'm not really sure of what's up this way. A little spot. Just love the way some of these rocks all form. Look really neat. Oh, this is a steep stairway. Sorry, Delta. She's a lot fitter than me. Whew. I hope this way takes me back to the car. Oh, I've got to walk all the way back. Alright, well, these stairs look non-existent. And big old pipe. Hanging in there. Oh, great. Another closed path. Right. So that way takes us to Echo Point. I don't want to go to Echo Point. So, we'd better abide by that one, guys. That landslide I showed you before was obviously pretty bad. It's closed off like 3 tracks of this walk, which is a bit of a shame. Hopefully they'll be back open again sometime and I can take you on those full round walks. But for now, we're going to have to go all the way back and then back the way we came. So guys, I'm not going to bore you with that same video all the way back. So when I get a bit closer and near the end, we'll finish it up there. There's one more quick little lookout spot I wanted to show you guys just on our way back. Couldn't get there before because it was all full of tourists. But another angle of the waterfalls. And you can see how far down it is. Can't really see it, it's too much overgrowth. Alright guys, so we've just made our way back up the hill, back to the car. Both pretty exhausted. It was quite a long trek back up all those stairs, and in the cold weather it really takes your breath away. So guys, I need you to smash that like button, subscribe to the page, follow us on Instagram, and yeah, till next time. Thanks guys.